with interrogative with auxiliary, and second interrogative with WH. As we know WH question that what, which, why, how, where, whom, who, that all are the WH question. In WH question voices we will have to see, or we will see what, how, who and whom, and another is which. This four type of WH question we generally see in active voice change. So first one is interrogative with auxiliary, and second was is interrogative with WH question. Today we are going to discuss about interrogative in auxiliary verb. That means which question are start with auxiliary verb, and it refers a question that is the interrogative sentence. So let's give an example. Interrogative sentence with auxiliary verb. Are they playing cricket? Are they playing cricket? This is the active voice. Active voice in interrogative sentence. So let's look out that here is the auxiliary verb are. They subject, playing mood verb, and cricket object. In the previous classes, I told you that voice tense are mainly depend on three basic rules. What are they? Voice tense are mainly depend on three rules. And what are they? First one is active voice subject will be object in passive voice, and active voice object will be subject in passive voice. When we use a subject as object, there will be another things to do that add by. When it is a subject will be in object, there will be by before that object. And second one is object passive active voice object will be subject in passive voice. And third one, that is in passive voice verb will be always in past participle form. What is this? Past participle form. And another one is person and tense. Depends on, there will be another auxiliary verb which we need to be used, and it depends on person and subject. Tense, person and subject. As you can say, if the subject is singular form, then there will be auxiliary verb are or were. If it is present form, then are, and if it is past tense, then were. So here we use that they are. It is in they are playing cricket. It's an question and auxiliary verb. So if you students see this type of question, you have to know two more things, that this type of question are not directly can be done in passive form, but we can go through a simple way. That is, first of all, this question need to be made in or transformed in assertive sentence. So let's make assertive sentence. Subject they, auxiliary verb are, playing moon verb, cricket cricket. These are the assertive. So it will help you to transform it in passive or change it in passive form. If you guys, I have already told you that I have taken classes in assertive sentence from active to passive. So if you guys see that class, it will be making easy to understand that this assertive sentence how we transform it in passive voice. So let's see how we transform from the three basic rules. Just subject now. In active voice, cricket was is object, but in passive voice, subject is cricket. So next class is next word is the next class is auxiliary verb. Cricket is in plural form or singular form, so we have to use it in singular. Is cricket is this is the playing in continuous form. As we know from the previous classes, that video I have taken is that in continuous form there will be extra observer, that is being. Why it is being? Because there is an ing form. For this ing form there need to use being. Cricket is being, and I told you just a moment ago that verb will be always in past participle form played. Cricket is being played. They is a subject form and its objective form is they. And there will be another task is by. I told you before the object there will be need to use by. So cricket is being played by them. That is the passive form of assertive sentence. But we are taking this classes about the voice and interrogative sentence. So again we need to make it interrogative. There is an easy way to make it interrogative. If there is any auxiliary verb, just add this auxiliary verb from the very beginning of the sentence. Is then cricket subject, then being, then played by them, and question mark. That is the interrogative sentence. But if you guys don't do these two things, if you guys ever do this thing, they will be right. But to make easy, I have shown you how to make auxiliary, how to make interrogative in passive voice this way. First, we need to do this in alternative way to assertive sentence. Then we make it passive voice. Then again we make it interrogative. This is the final answer. These are not the final answer. This is the final answer. If you guys just answer this from this sentence from this sentence, then it will be okay. But to make you easy, I use this as like we do in maths to supplement and use it in a supplementary. This is the supplementary. So if you guys don't use this, okay, no fine. If you guys only use this, then it will be correct. And this is the main answer. For this interrogative, this is the main answer. So if you guys write this, it will be easy for you. If you can show this way, then it will be easy for you to understand how we can make interrogative sentence with auxiliary verb into passive voice. Okay, these are the very easy and common ways. Okay, let's make another interrogative sentence with auxiliary verb. Did he do the work? This is another question and it is without auxiliary verb. As we know that if there is no auxiliary, we can use do, did, does. So the sentence is start with did. Did he do the work? Did he do the work? Same way, let's make it in assertive sentence. He did the work. Guys, just look here. There is do, but I write it did. Why? Because it is in past tense. If we make it assertive sentence, just make to the verb is in past form. Do present form, did past form. Did is used only for this. Okay? We did the work. Let's make it passive voice. The verb. And it is past form, as we know from the previous classes videos that there, if it is in past indefinite tense, there will be was or were. The word singular. That's why it is was auxiliary verb. The word was did is a past form and its past participle form is done. The word was done, and he is in subjective form and he is objective form. As it is object, that's why there will be need to add by. fine. The work was done by him. He did the work. The work is done by him. And another task is to make it in interrogative sentence. Was is the auxiliary verb. As we know, if there is any auxiliary verb, if we put it in the very beginning of the sentence, and that will be in question form. Let's see. Was the work done by him and question mark. Was the work done by him? That is the interrogative form. So this is the two type of supplementary way to do the passive voice and interrogative into passive voice. So if you guys follow these rules and these examples, I hope you guys already knew about an easy way to make. There is another some rules we will discuss in next class about WH question in interrogative. But before that, you guys need to follow these rules in your textbook and do some exercise. If you guys do exercise, then it will be easy way to get the voice tense in interrogative sentence with auxiliary verb. I hope you guys understand the today's classes, and if you guys face any problem, there is an option in comment. Do comment that and we will be told or taught it again or teach you again and solve it again to make easy or to make understandable to you. So till today, let's say goodbye.